Hello everyone, I'm starting the vlog and it's around 4:30. We are heading toward Sham Valley and we don't know where we're gonna go, but let's see and hope the work here, the pending work here goes well and complete on time. And here she is ready, me too. Adul will be there at Choklamsar. I'm gonna go and pick up her, and yeah, Stanjangdol will come by the way, and then Singdom also. But we are not. You guys go now. We are not decided about the place. She's not feeling well. And I'm good.
It was a warning. I didn't know that someday you might find there was some meaning, but I didn't know that maybe time to time. Remember feeling that I was alright, but we're gonna be just fine. Maybe we'll see that sunshine. The morning you and I, it was a warning. I didn't know that someday you might find there was some meaning, but I didn't know that maybe time to time. Remember feeling that I was alright, but
Okay guys, so we are leaving toward Dok.
Kutut bin bagajtas.
इसमें डाल देना
Kutut bin bagas. Ina jak patma jak.
So we are ready to leave toward Dok site, and hope nobody comes here.
Lem cho nó khề. Jing magic say. Kiri kuri yan chame rak pawa yung. Ya dul. Demo just the dulang.
Yeah, we are going, and we have to go. Adol zoom together. Adol and I am topa jikji zoom together. We have to cross that bridge. It was very difficult for us. And battery is not allowing me to do more recording. Chuli, chuli, chuli. This is Shuli, but she said that we are not allowed to even touch this one. Yeah, record chargui. Exhaust. Zenang, go. Kya se bo?
Ina song te no.
Time is only 7:30. We are heading toward Saint Dolma's home so that we can have apricot there, because she strictly said that we can't even touch the apricots of other people. So we are obeying that one, and let's see how far it is. And it's 10 a.m. One nice thing about village life is that we can drink stream water easily, and I'm having it more pure than the distilled water. Oh. I don't got it. Finally, we reached at our place. Now we will hunt for the apricots, and here you can see the seed. Here. These are the chuli. We can. She said that we can take, but I don't think so that we should take more than this. And this is the Ladakhi apricot, which is very delicious, and it's of two types: sour and sweet. This one is sour. Charging point do. Right do. Finally, we are here, and we can take the apricots from here. Adol very good, very good, very good. Tera kata dikira. Wah, to saja na. Do bating. Thank you very much for this party.
Matoma.
Checking. Daring unme chase road po tabii danger soruyor. Dene raksan aya tülyen kutuyot. Devan aya imo çıkıyor road ne olsun. Kona ne çekiyor. Bak naya hani ciblan kurt çabuşuz diyor.